audio company Boat has launched its new product, that is the S200 Bluetooth speaker. It comes in a box just like this, you can see on the screen, and at the back side it is written that is shockproof, waterproof, Bluetooth, etc. Hey guys, this is Note Pargavkar from Techie Paddy, and in this video I'll be reviewing the Boat S200 Bluetooth speaker. So I'll be doing the complete test of how it looks, the complete unboxing, and how does it sound, and what is my verdict for this Bluetooth speaker. So sit back and enjoy this video. Let's go! The first thing what we get is the Boat S200 Bluetooth speaker. It is square in shape. Then we get the instruction manual which was inside the box. Also we get a USB to cable to charge the speaker, and you can also play the speaker when the USB speaker is charging, and you get an aux cable also provided in this. It's quite a complete packaging and a good packaging. On the top side you can see that this is the Boat written over here, similar to the back side. On the top of the speaker you can see this is the power button, your minus, your play, pause, and the plus. That means these are the volume control buttons. You have this strap right over here so you can hang it anywhere. Below here you have this bicycle or your tripod mount where you can mount the speaker to keep it running. On this left hand side you have this protection for the USB and the aux. I'll just show you. Yes, so aux and the micro USB charging, and on this side we have nothing. So let's do a small demonstration of how this sounds. So first of all we'll just switch on the speaker. Pretty nice sound. And now let's take my phone and I'll just pair it to Bluetooth. I'll just switch it on. That means I think your Bluetooth is activated. So yes, Boat Stone 200 Bluetooth is paired successfully. Oh, by the way, if you can see, I'll just focus it for you guys. You can see the battery level also is shown of this very speaker. So in latest versions of Android also you'll be able to see the battery level. Anyways, so let's get something to play. Let us see how the sound quality is. So here I'm going to play some music, so maybe I'll just play this.
You were the shadow to my light, the stars, another star, you fade away. Afraid our aim is out of sight. Wanna see you alive. Where are you now? Where are you now?
It's pretty loud.
Where are you now? Was it all in my fantasy? Where are you now?
All I can say from this is the bass is so freaking good. I mean, the whole speaker vibrates in your hand. Let me just pause this. Yeah, so the whole speaker basically vibrates in your hand. I mean, such an awesome speaker. That too, they made it in such an affordable price. Yes guys, this is of around 1200 bucks only. Shockproof and waterproof, and a great sounding speaker. So let me just resume it for some time. This is the volume control which I'll be increasing to full, and when I hear the beep, that means the volume is the maximum limit, like this. Now the only thing what I just observe is if you go to the maximum volume at around 100% or something, it starts getting a bit sharper and starts blowing off. So I think the optimum volume will be around 65 to 70%, so maybe this much. That's it. Really, really great sounding speakers. So you might have seen the complete video and you might be seeing how awesome these speakers sound, and at this affordable prices you will not get such speaker. I mean, good job boat. Waterproof, shockproof, and it's something like IX25 or IP25 something specification, but it's shockproof and waterproof, but it's not sandproof, so avoid going into the sand with this speaker. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. So if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed to my channel Techie Paddy, this is your first time, my name is Paddy and this is my channel Techie Paddy. Do subscribe. If you have any comments or any feedback, please leave it in the comment section of this video. Please share this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video.